watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Juniata, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, Schuylkill, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Low pressure in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania, Blair County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Prince Gallitzin State Park to Oakvilltown to Meyersdale, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Altoona, Huntingdon, Hollidaysburg, Tyrone, Bedford, Portage, Meyersdale, Breezewood, Roaring Spring, Mount Union, Berlin, Clearville, Bald Eagle, New Enterprise, Martinsburg, Lakemont, Everett, Bellwood, Warriors Mark, and Crescent. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 147 to 150. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 114 to 165. Interstate 99 for mile markers 0 to 55. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, Blair, Cambria, Huntingdon, and Somerset. The National Weather Service and State College Pennsylvania issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Lycoming County in north central Pennsylvania, Tioga County in north central Pennsylvania, western Sullivan County in north central Pennsylvania, eastern Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from South Corning to Blanchard to Williamsburg, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Radar indicated. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include State College, Williamsport, Lock Haven, Milton, Belfast, Lewisburg, Montorville, Mifflinburg, Wellsboro, Wellsboro, Forest Village, Winfield, Morrisburg, Pleasant Winfield, Lamar, and Muncie, Pleasant Gap, Lamar driving on Interstate 80. For those driving includes areas between the Snowshoe and Danville exits, specifically for mile markers 165 to 216. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 99 for mile markers 71 to 85, Interstate 180 for mile markers 1 to 29. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Center, Clinton, Lycoming, Northumberland, Snyder, Sullivan, Tioga, and Union. Severe thunderstorm watch number. Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Midland County in central National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Richland County in central Pennsylvania, Joliet County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Perry County in central Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. Locations until 9 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Whipple Dam State Park to Reedstown Dam, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Honey Grove, Source, trained weather spotters. McLean, Fort Royal, Hummelford, Middleburg, Honey Grove, New Broomfield, McAllisterville, McClure, Port Royal, and Spruce Hill. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. following Indiana, Richland, Perry, and Snyder.
Is sponsored by
To the following: Huntington, Indiana, Richland, Perry, and Snyder. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 38, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, western Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland National Weather Service in College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Rock Hill Furnace to Orphanage, moving at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind. Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland in south central Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Rock Hill Furnace. Located along the line extending 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Carlisle, Waynesboro, Shippensburg, Greencastle, Mechanicsburg, Hanford, Plainfield, St. Thomas, Gloucester, Fayetteville, Warwicksburg, Wayne Heights, Mount Holly Springs, Mont Alcal, Mercersburg, Scotland, Newville, Harrisonville, and Rouseville. The Pennsylvania travel length for mile markers 160 to 220 feet. Interstate 81 for mile markers 0 to 53. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. to the following counties: Adams, Bedford, Cumberland, Franklin, Fulton, Huntingdon, and Perry. County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Lycoming County in north central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Union County in central Pennsylvania, Sullivan County in north central Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Leroy to Morrisburg to Parallax, moving east at 55 miles per hour. At 6:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Leroy to Morrisburg to Parallax, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Berwick, Sunbury, Shamokin, Milton, Lewisburg, Sealands Grove, Danville, Montoursville, LaPorte, Mount Carmel, Northumberland, Winfield, Coltmont, Muncie, Watsontown, Eliasburg, Fairview, and Ferndale. 206 to 247. This includes Interstate 1 for mile markers 1 to 21. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Lycoming, Montour, Northumberland, Snyder, Sullivan, and Union. Issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Lycoming, Montour, Northumberland, Snyder, Sullivan, and Union. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Joliet, Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in southern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 7 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Miserville to Plainfield, moving east at 55 miles per hour. 7 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Miserville to Plainfield, radar indicated at 55 miles per hour. Expects damage to roofs, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Carlisle, expects damage to roofs, Hershey, Berwick, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, Shamokin, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Tamaqua, Winglestown, Enola, Scotia Haven, Shenandoah, Lemoyne, Myerstown, and St. Clair. New Cumberland. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Shenandoah, Lemoyne, specifically for mile markers 244 to 247. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 208 to 231. Interstate 70 for mile markers 03. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 49 to 139. Interstate 83 for mile markers 41 to 50. Interstate 283 near mile marker 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Interstate 283. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Cumberland, Dauphin, Joliet. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Cumberland, Dauphin, Joliet, Lebanon, Northumberland, Perry, and Schuylkill. Service has issued severe thunderstorm warning number 38. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located in the severe thunderstorm warning for moving into central Pennsylvania per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, south central Pennsylvania, southeastern, damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, includes the following interstates. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 242 to 240. Elizabethtown, Columbia,
Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Including a large hail and damage in the storm in close to the wash area.
The near Sauvignon Blanc Napa Valley and two.
No showers local service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, likely after 10 a.m. For Morris County in northwestern New Jersey, County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern chance of precipitation 7 northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, south likely western p.m. North central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Pennsylvania. Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Holly to Kunkletown to Workersville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This line had a history of producing areas of wind damage. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Easton, Morristown. And a chance of snow showers. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Easton, Morristown, Somerville, Newton, Montague, Bethlehem, Bridgewater, Pottstown. Lows around 20. Mile markers 295 and 303. Northeast extension mile markers 26 and 57. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 54 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 37. Between mile markers Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 47. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 16 and 54. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., severe showers and embedded thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lyons to near Delta, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This line has had a history of producing areas of wind damage. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Wilmington, Westchester, Bensalem, Norristown, Chester, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Yadden, Westtown, Carneys Point, Downingtown, Conshohocken, Palmyra, Hatboro, Falkirk, and Ambler. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 301 and 352. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 25. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 16, in between mile markers 19 and 35. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 12 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 350. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This line of heavy showers and embedded thunderstorms may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until... Here is the county in northern New Jersey, east central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10 p.m. At 8:53 p.m., severe showers and embedded thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kinnelon to near Bridgewater to near East Norton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This line has a history of producing areas of wind damage. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Morristown, Asbury Park, Somerville, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Middletown, Old Bridge, Howell, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, and Manalapan. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 13. Northeast extension between mile markers 26 and 28. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 26 and 42. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 35 and 47. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 9. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 61 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 54. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 99 and 134. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing areas of wind damage. Here is the Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10 p.m. At 9 p.m., severe showers and embedded thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chalfont to Stanton for about north of 5 miles per hour. This line has a history of producing areas of wind damage. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Toms River, Trenton, Camden, Wilmington, Gloucester City, Lakewood, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Jackson, Howell, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, and Barnegat. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits between mile markers 300 partly cloudy. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 40. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 3 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 332 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 2, and between mile markers 7 and 34. Interstate 295...